Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover travel insurance claims with Allianz step by step clearly. To recover travel insurance claims with Allianz, begin by gathering all necessary documentation. Collect your insurance policy details, including your policy number. Prepare any relevant receipts that support your claim, such as flight tickets or accommodation invoices. Make sure to have any medical documents if your claim pertains to health issues. Visit the Allianz website to access the claims section. Log into your account using your policy number and personal information. If you don't have an online account, create one using your policy details. Follow the prompts to start a new claim submission. Fill out the required information on the claim form accurately. Upload your supporting documents as prompted in the online process. Review all entered information to ensure everything is correct before submission. Submit your claim once you have double-checked all details. After submission, note the claim reference number for future inquiries. Monitor your email for any communication from Allianz regarding your claim status. If necessary, contact Allianz customer service for updates or further assistance. Be prepared to answer any additional questions or provide more documentation if requested. Once your claim is processed, you will receive an update on the approval or denial outcome. If approved, Allianz will detail how you will receive compensation. If denied, you have options to appeal the decision based on the provided reasons. Review all relevant policy information to ensure you understand the reasoning for any claim status. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the claims process with Allianz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.